I'm going to show you how to find profitable paywall screens and onboarding screens. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. So the first thing we are going to do is go over to the search bar and type in paywall screens. After typing this, you can see all the profitable paywall screens of very profitable apps from the best apps, and here you can learn from them. So let's go, for example, let's say my niche is utilities. That's probably the easiest to do. And over here, let's go to, for example, scan QR code. So a QR code scanner application. And over here, we can see that on the 31st of August 2024, the app paywall looked like this. So there was just the continue button. Okay, that's not a very good paywall. But let's go over to a different paywall. So let's say my app is different. Let's say health and fitness. And my app is basically this one, the impulse tracker. So you can see the paywall they have, it's based on 3-day free trial per week, yearly, annual, and then lifetime. So there's no trials for yearly and lifetime. That's a pretty good idea. Also, you can see annual 180 and monthly, so there's no free trial on this either. And if we go over to any of the other paywalls, I think we can see the same pattern. So for example, here we can see the weekly plan. It has $7 per week, and the yearly plan has only 75 cents per week, but it's $40 per year. And over here you can enable it. And yes, over here we can see it's yearly, and they have the month subscription that's bigger than the yearly, and also they have a 7-day free trial, but only for the monthly. So it's very interesting to see how other apps do it, and maybe you can copy them too and have success on your own. So thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe.